Just today, I'm saying goodbye today, 'cause I still felt something beautiful. Recently, today and every morning, I ask if you ever remembered me, 'cause to you I never even existed. I was just number 19 in your life. So now I'm packing 11 to leave. Now that I see you, I wanna share with you all these words that came out of me. I loved you like no one else, and I gave you everything. 'Cause to make you happy, I always found a way. But now I say goodbye, your heart's already with someone new, and I can only say I haven't let you go yet. Remember me, 'cause to me you will always be.